Most innovative investment bank for securitisation, and the winner is Credit Suisse.
Hello, I'm Joy Macknight, Deputy Editor at The Banker, and I'm joined by Michael Dryden, who's Global Head of Securitized Products Finance at Credit Suisse. Michael, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Joy.
Congratulations, Credit Suisse has won for the third year running the most innovative bank in securitization. What has been the secret to your success?
Focusing on sort of innovation and coming up with sort of new ideas for different clients. And I think we're in a client-focused business. We have to be able to provide value to our clients in the right ways. And I think if you look at it, that one of the things that we always track is how many structuring leads do we have for new issuer clients every year. And I think this past year it was sort of north of 10, where I think sort of second was less than 5. And so I think if you look at things like that, those are reasons why clients keep coming back to us to look at sort of doing new deals, creative deals, being able to bring deals to the market.
Excellent. But you're also very innovative in terms of bringing to market new asset classes. Can you talk a little bit about some of the things that you've brought to market over the last couple of years?
Our businesses, we're not as balance sheet heavy as a lot of the other sort of firms, and so we have to constantly look for new products to be able to develop for clients. And importantly, in the securitized products business, what we've seen is that people are really looking for new ways of raising capital and new asset classes to be able to do so. And so if you look at, for example, in the mortgage space, the mortgage servicers have looked to obviously raise financing through doing RMBS transactions, but now looking to raise financing based upon servicing strips that they've owned. And so over the last couple of years, we've developed a securitization market for mortgage servicing rights, which was unique to the market and has really grown in size, where it started with first deal for PennyMac, and now we've got 3 or 4 different issuers doing deals, and that's going to continue to grow over time. You look also at things like what we've done with the GSEs, Fannie and Freddie, in the U.S., and we helped develop the credit risk transfer market for them, setting up the first STACR and CAS programs. But since then, they've looked at doing sort of new versions of credit risk transfer deals. And fortunately, they usually turn to us to do a lot of those deals and a lot of the heavy lifting for them to come up with it. And a lot of it is we are good at understanding the structural side of things, but also the investor side of things, and being able to really sort of create products for the market that are saleable in that way.
So for next year, for 2019, what is in store for the Securitized Products Finance team?
I think about it as hopefully more of the same. It's been a pretty good run that we've had in terms of different transactions that we've done. And as I look at it, a lot of what we're continuing to do is working with clients around strategic deals. And so if you look at things like we've done in the past for a company called Credit Shop, and a strategic equity investment from Varde Partners, things like those transactions, I think we'll just see more of them. And a lot of it has been using securitized products as a real corporate finance tool to drive sort of real equity value amongst these different corporations, which is something that hasn't been done for a period of time, but we're just going to continue to see more and more of it, and I think 2019 will be the same.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Michael.
Thank you.